Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 000 AutoCAD command line. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu Draw command line. This command draws a line. From menu Draw, choose command line.